Once you find the right water and locate some fish, the next step is to see what they're interested in. By changing profiles, colors, and even approaches altogether, you can systematically eliminate the unproductive and dial in the day's bite. I typically will give a presentation 5 to 8 drifts before deciding if it's time for a change.
No. The pricks are all suspended.
In clear water situations, using a good set of polarized glasses and staying stealthy will allow you to see how the fish are reacting to your offering. From there, adjustments should come naturally.
Oh, that was one hit. Yep.